The benefit of adding Services tab to your Facebook business page is that you can list all your services for people so that your audience is aware of what you are offering. Having a business page but don't know about Services tab features, this tutorial is rightly made for you. In this video, let's talk about how we can add Services tab and how we can list our services to our page. I will show you how you can do it using PC and mobile phone. Interested in this kind of topic? Please stay tuned until the end. Let's go to my screen so we can start the tutorial. To add Services tab using PC or laptop, from your news feed, you have to go to Pages from the left toolbar of your news feed and then choose the pages you manage. For example, this one, Simply Therese Design. Here in my page, guys, I am creating a layout design for birthday invitation, tarpaulin for birthday invitation, watermark branding for your YouTube channel, and many more. You can visit this for more samples. Okay, and please follow me, guys. Konti pa lang yung followers ko dito. And from your page, go to left hand menu and then go to settings, templates and tabs. And then you will see this tabs, home, about, photo, services. So if you haven't activate your services tab, makikita mo to naka-off siya. And kung gusto mo siyang ilipat, for example, gusto nating ilipat dito sa baba ng about or sa taas ng about, you can just long press the services and then put it above about section. Alright? And then, balik tayo dun sa home natin. And tingnan natin uli yung pages natin. And ayan na yung services niya. Nasa unahan na siya ng about section. Now that you've added tab to your page, you can now add services. To add services, click the services tab and then add a service. For example, service name is Invitation Layout Design. And then you can choose fixed price, variable price, starting at no price, free, custom, ask for price. Okay? So, for example, lalagyan natin siya ng fixed price. And then, yung price natin, for example, ang benta ko is $2. This description, guys, is optional. But you can put product details. For example, layout only. I will send you the finished product in PNG, JPEG, or PDF format to your email or messenger. Appointment duration, and then you can add photo. Let's say this one. Okay, and then let's save it. Let's see if it's visible now. Let's refresh our page and go to page again. Then let's click on Services tab, and there you go. Ito na yung services na nilist mo sa iyong Facebook business. Before we proceed to our mobile phone, if you're getting value with this tutorial, I humbly ask you to hit that subscribe button. Please give a like, comment down below. I will appreciate it. Hi guys, andito na tayo sa ating Facebook page again. Then, Simply Therese Design. Dito guys sa mobile, sa aking mobile, iba kung saan makikita yung Services tab. Dito natin siya makikita sa Edit Page. And then, makikita nyo itong template. Punta kayo ng tab. Andito sa pang-apat. Page Header, Page Info, Button, and Tabs. Okay? So, dito nyo mai-edit yung mga tabs nyo sa Facebook page. How to edit tab order? You can click on edit tab order in here sa taas ng home. And pwede mo na siyang lipat-lipat. Just long press. For example, itong photos, ilalagay natin siya sa baba ng services. You can long press that one and then ilagay mo siya sa ibaba ng services. So, tingnan natin. And there you go guys. Ayan na yung photo sa ibaba or sa sunod ng services tab natin. Okay? To list a services here using your mobile, tap the services tab and then add service. And the same lang naman din guys sa laptop, lalagyan nyo siya ng service name, and then yung price niya, yung price type, yung duration, put the description also, show service, and then you can include an image, then click on save dito sa top right sa taas. Save. Click save. Okay? So, hindi ko na siya lilistahan kasi hindi ko pa maisip kung ano pa yung sunod kong ilalagay na service. Later na siya. So, parehas lang naman doon sa paggamit ng laptop natin. That's how you can add a services tab and list a service to your Facebook page. This brings value to you. Any questions, guys, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Have a good day, everyone. God bless and bye.